come to an end, and as a yearly tradition we do on this channel, welcome to Tech Awards 2024 on the Mrtonyelvis channel. So the year 2024 was a very interesting year, and as you can see on the table, I actually have more products than I did back in 2023. And I'd like to give a few shout outs to Oraimo and a few friends and family who actually helped make all of this possible. Oraimo actually sent me quite a number of products this year, and I'm very grateful and thankful. Big shout out to Oraimo. Let's keep working and let's keep doing this yearly tradition with your help. So first off, we're actually going to start the awards with Best Earbud of the Year. So as you can see on my table here, I actually have 5 earbuds, and lucky for us, there's a little spice amongst the earbuds, and that is the Kora Zenpod Pro. So this here is actually a pro earbud from Kora. It comes with active noise cancellation, and you can see it actually has this very unique transparent design as well. I actually like the design, but this is not the best earbud of the year. I just wanted to tell you more about Kora and the Kora Zenpod Pro. So you might be wondering, 2024 I actually made a video about the Earbuds 4. I said a lot about the Earbuds 4. It's great, I like the battery life, everything. But then this earbud here actually lacks active noise cancellation, and I think that is the weakness of the Earbuds 4. If it had active noise cancellation, this would have been the best earbud of 2024, but it doesn't have active noise cancellation, so this is not the best earbud. So I'm talking too much. The best earbud of 2024 goes to the Oraimo SpaceBuds. Yes, this earbud here does everything, and it does it great and very good. When it comes to design, check. It has an anti-scratch design, the case, everything compact, nice, solid, firm, just great. Customizable lights on the case, check. Battery life, amazing battery life, check. Hybrid active noise cancellation at 50 decibels, check. I mean, there's nothing to hate about the Oraimo SpaceBuds. It does everything and it does it great. And this right here is the best earbud of 2024. The price is also not bad, very solid. And this actually won the best earbud of 2024 award. So I know you might be wondering, the SpaceBuds Pro. Yes, so the SpaceBuds Pro is here, has more features, 360 spatial audio, better design, looks great. This design also has an anti-scratch case as well, and it's just gorgeous. But I don't think the SpaceBuds Pro is actually a complete pro earbud, and let me explain. So the FreePods Pro Plus from Oraimo actually has a feature called in-ear detection, okay? And it also comes with 45 decibels of active noise cancellation and stuff like that. But I think the SpaceBuds Pro would have been a complete earbud if it came with in-ear detection. So Oraimo could have simply just added in-ear detection to the SpaceBuds Pro, but no, they actually decided to swap that for the 360 spatial audio, and this was a big bummer for me. This is why the SpaceBuds Pro did not win the best earbud for 2024, because I think it's incomplete. They should have added the in-ear detection to the SpaceBuds Pro, and this would have been the pinnacle of earbuds on this table. But no, it didn't win. Still, the SpaceBuds has it when it comes to best earbud for 2024. So next up on the awards is actually the best smartwatch for 2024. So this year I actually got to review 3 smartwatches: the Oraimo Nova V right here, the Oraimo Nova V here. Also, I got to review the Kora Nova AM with its AMOLED display. Lastly, I got to review the Kora Smartwatch Neo right here. So the best smartwatch for 2024 is hands down the Oraimo Nova V. I mean, this watch here is packed. The theme for the debut of this watch is actually called Rugged. I mean, look at it. Gorgeous. Comes with 1 ATM of, protection against water, a 2.01-inch large display. The camera control on this watch here is insane, and as a content creator myself, I usually find myself using that feature very much. I mean, everything about this watch is just great, and no wonder it won the best smartwatch for 2024. Get yourself an Oraimo Nova V and you wouldn't regret it. So next up, you might be wondering why the Kora Smartwatch Neo wasn't on this table. And that's because the Kora Smartwatch Neo is the companion of the year 2024. I mean, this watch, I take it everywhere I go with me. 1.78-inch size is perfect. It's not too heavy, perfect balance between the weight. I love everything about it. It's an AMOLED display. They gave us a lot to bite on with the app, but they can still refine it and things like that. It's everything. See, the reason why the Nova V didn't actually win the Companion of the Year and Smartwatch of the Year is because I can't actually take this watch with me everywhere I go, and that is because of the design. See, when you look at the design of the Oraimo Nova V, immediately you tell this is actually meant for sports or heavy tasks and certain places. I cannot take the Nova V with me when I'm going to an official gathering or meeting up with my friends and things like that. The Kora Smartwatch Neo has a sleek design and is best for that. The Nova V is more of a watch I can take with me to the gym, and I also don't go to the gym. So these are some of the things that actually didn't cut it for me when it comes to Companion of the Year for the Oraimo Nova V. And it's also an LCD screen. This is AMOLED and I just love it. So Companion of the Year, hands down, Kora Smartwatch Neo. Perfect price, battery life, features, size, everything. I just love that watch. Next off, let's talk about best speaker of 2024. See, 2024, I couldn't actually review a lot of speakers and I'm not happy about that, okay? I only have 2 speakers on the desk here. I have the JBL Flip 6 right here, and also I have the Oraimo Tilt speaker here. Only 2 speakers. So let me cut it short. The best speaker for 2024 is the Oraimo Tilt. Yes. I mean, the JBL Flip 6 is, it's the better speaker here. Best sound, comes with an app, portable, amazing battery life, amazing design. Everything about the JBL Flip 6 is 100%. But when we talk about price, availability, and out-of-the-box sound, the Flip 6 needs some adjustment. So first off, the Oraimo Tilt is more available to everybody in my country and where I'm from. You can actually get it at a discount and things like that. But with the Flip 6, it actually costs more, and getting it brand new, you would have to struggle a bit. And the price too is another downfall. The Oraimo Tilt out of the box comes with heavy bass, and that is what people in where I'm from, Africa, Ghana, we enjoy bass more than other aspects. And the Flip 6, to get the bass, you actually have to use the app. And out of the box, you don't really get that bass with the JBL Flip 6. So this is why the Oraimo Tilt actually won the best speaker of the year. Has a very affordable price, great sound. It's not that portable, but I also like the design. This is more of a TV setup or a hall setup. Looks very, very solid for me. And also, I almost forgot, the Oraimo Tilt comes with an aux port. The JBL Flip 6 only has a USB port, and that is all. This is why the Oraimo Tilt won best speaker of 2024. That's it for speakers. Let's move on to headsets. So I also have only 2 headsets on the table here. This right here is the Sony Mark III, and this right here is the Oraimo BoomPop 2. See, I really loved the Oraimo BoomPop 2, but this headset here lacks active noise cancellation. And I mean, in 2024, getting a headset without active noise cancellation, it just doesn't feel right to me. And as a result, the best headset of the year goes to the Sony Mark III. I mean, this headset is perfect. I mean, it was released way back some years ago, but still it has perfect battery life, amazing active noise cancellation, solid design. I mean, the cushions still hold up. The cushions on the Sony Mark III still hold up, and it's just soft and just cool. But then when we take the Oraimo BoomPop 2, I just got this it's almost been a year or so, and the cushions on the BoomPop 2 are falling apart. No active noise cancellation, cushion is falling apart, not so good. I mean, you can just see the cushions turn up on the table here. Have a look. Just not great. Oraimo needs to give us a speaker with active noise cancellation. We are in 2024. Just give us a $70 speaker with active. We will buy it. I will buy it, and I'm sure my people will also buy it. We need a headset with active noise cancellation from Oraimo, and I hope they give that to us in 2025. We need a headset with active noise cancellation. So when it comes to headset, the Sony Mark III, best headset of the year 2024, hands down win. And let's talk about the last category here. Every year we give an award to the worst product, that I have reviewed. And for 2024, the worst product actually goes to the Oraimo Riff 2. If you've watched my videos, you know that this earbud here it just doesn't do it for me. So this earbud here actually cost exactly the same as the Oraimo Airbuds 4 at the time I was doing the comparison, and this earbud failed ridiculously. The Oraimo Riff 2 just didn't do it for me, and that is actually because of the design. So this right here is actually a half-in-ear earbud, and it just didn't do it for me. First of all, it doesn't go deeper into your ear. It has a very sharp ear tip, which was always, hitting my ear and, giving me some form of uncomfortable feel. I didn't enjoy the sound. I just didn't like it, okay? I just didn't feel the Oraimo Riff 2, and this is why it won the worst product of 2024. So with most of the products on the table here, I'll leave links to their review down in the description. You can check all of them out. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and share the video to your friends. Thank you for your time, and this is the end of 2024 Tech Awards, and I'll see you another time.